Hi friends, this is Shweta from the blog shopaholic.wordpress.com, and today I'm back with a haul video. I had promised you guys that I would make my channel active this month because it's my birthday month. My birthday went 5 days ago on 7th, and I decided that this month would be a perfect time to begin my channel once more on YouTube, where I can communicate with you guys more directly and share lots of new stuff with you guys. So today I will be showing you my Bangalore haul that I had done in May when I went to Bangalore, and I have really, it is a huge haul that I really shopped a lot because there are really good, there are really big shops there like Forever 21 and Zara, which are not there in Ahmedabad, and I decided to pick some stuff, and today I'll be showing you all of that. So majorly it's a lot of stuff, so it may take a little while. If you can see, there's so much stuff going on here. Like, I shopped like crazy this time. So I will be showing my haul one by one. Let's begin with I guess Bata first, because it's not that major place to shop, but I shopped it because I was just going around at Malleshwaram, and I just saw Bata, and I went to the store to just check out their stuff. I had not been to Bata for a really long time, so I thought why not, and I picked up one of the very cute pieces that I found. It was right now because it's summer and I'm really into comfy pieces, and I picked up a pair of loafers, sporty casual loafers. I show you. I guess you've already seen them in my Instagram feed, and these are the ones that I picked up. These are really sporty and kind of washable material, so you can really wash them up and use it at the same time. And I love the fact that they were so colorful, and you all guys know that I love colors. So I picked up really bright colors which would go with nice with jeans and casual wears with tees and all. And I thought it would be really look good, and really it will suit me up this season. So this was from Bata. That's the first thing I'm showing you guys. The next thing that I picked up, and I will be reviewing this stuff really soon, is from the store Marks and Spencer's. I went to Monthly Square Mall, and I went to Marks and Spencer's. I've not been there much before, so I just went to their skincare section and picked up one of the stuff that I really liked. I'll show you guys what it is. This is the Floral Collection China Blue Antiperspirant Roll-On. I really loved their collection. There was so much stuff to pick, but I could only pick up this one, and I thought it would be a good one, start trying. It was just like a sample piece I want to try first, and then look up for the different products much more. So I picked this up, and I really love it. I have been using it since a month or so, and I've been really happy with it. I will put on a review really soon on this, so check that out too. So the next thing I would like to show you is from our favorite Forever 21. I went to the store around 2 to 3 times, so there's a lot of stuff here that's there from Forever 21. So firstly, I picked up stuff that I was searching for a really long time, and I know all you makeup lovers and beauty lovers would definitely love this. It is one of the facial cleansing pads. denims to be worn, and these were for my sister because their standard sizes don't really fit me right now, so I'm just praying that it fits me really soon. So these are the two pair of jeans that my sister picked them from Forever 21. One is in black, one is in blue, basic jeans and denim. And the best part about these are the length is really fabulous. It just ends on your ankle, so it's, you don't need to like cut it or get it altered anywhere. And the fitting is nice. It's a skinny jeans. The material is good. It's not the best material, but you know, this is a good material. And the best part is the price. It's for $675 flat, and that is like wow deal. I love this. I wish I can buy these for myself really soon. My sister loves these and she wears it every day. So this was one of the best buys ever. Do pick this up if you ever find it in a Forever 21. And I think they have these things going on a lot. They have a lot of variety, and especially the grey color you should definitely pick if you go. So this was this. So this was the whole Forever 21 haul. Oh, big haul. So the next thing I picked up was from Westside stores. Westside is one of my favorite stores to pick up any ethical wear, and my mom actually gifted me my birthday kurta from there. So I picked this lovely kurta, which you might have seen on my blog as well as my Instagram. I have worn this once, but I thought I'd show you anyways. This is the one. It's a nice Chinese collar, not Chinese exactly, it's a normal collar. It's a full length kurta. It is foldable, and it's a really high length, so it comes like around, just ends above your ankle, so it's pretty high. Like the length wise it's nice, and I love the color because it's so bright, and I love blue. It's my favorite color, so I love this. I wore this for my birthday lunch, and it was so comfy. It's pure cotton. You will find it comfortable for Indian summers, especially Ahmedabad, because the heat here is tremendous. Okay, so this was it from the Westside store. The next haul that I want to show you is from everyone's favorite. That's Zara. Lots of Zara packets here. I have like 3 packets over here, and I'm going to show you all. It's not a lot of stuff from here, but yeah, I went like 3 different times, so I picked up 3 different times, you know, different stuffs. The first thing I want to show is my first purchase from Zara. I mean, not the first purchase this time. I have been eyeing the Zara perfume collection for a long time. I've seen a few of the bloggers use them, so I thought I'll pick up one of the perfumes. You've seen this on my Instagram feed because you know how updated I keep my Instagram on. So this is the Zara perfume, if you can see it. This is the 11 Corso Tiro Emmanuel Milano perfume. This comes in a really nice shiny pink packet, and I'll show you the perfume because it looks so cute. I can't resist showing this to you. This is the one. It's with the pump, so you know it's really fancy and all, and I love this. The smell is really urban and really what do you say, it's a very stylish, strong, and a very confident perfume to be worn. This is mostly for something you can wear on maybe your dates, not even dates. It's not a very romantic perfume in the sense, but I'll definitely do a really long review on this so that you can get to know whether it's worth buying or not. But I bought this one for myself, and I personally love it for the fact that it looks so cute. So this was one. Now the second thing, the second perfume that we got from Zara is one my sister got it. This is, oh, it's really nice. This is the Zara Apple Juice perfume. You can see it. I'll definitely try to do a review on this too. This is a very fruity smelling perfume, and my sister personally loved this. This is such a cute bottle. I love the bottles at Zara. They look so pretty, right? So I love this. I think I forgot to tell you all the prices though. But yeah, this was for around $7.90 for 100 ml, and the perfume that was way before that was $8.90 for 100 ml, which I thought was a good price for a perfume, especially for a branded one. The last thing that I got from Zara is a clothing item. I didn't find much clothing items this time because they were not on sale, and I don't really purchase from already a lot of things to buy for my birthday. I've also done a lot of street shopping that are not included in this video, which I would do if you really suggest I would do that. So I picked up something really nice, really different actually. I have not worn anything like this before, and I thought it would be a nice experiment to buy something like this. It's a nice light pink, baby pink color jumpsuit, and it's a short jumpsuit actually. The best part is the cut. It has a cut like this. It actually goes like this, so it has a very nice different style of cut that I love. It's something that I don't have, so it was really nice. It's a short one. It's full chain, so no issues with that, but it's really short, so I really don't know how I'm going to keep it up, especially in Ahmedabad where short clothes are not really something that I see people wear a lot. But I will definitely try to incorporate these and wear it somewhere nice, maybe in an occasion or something. I had planned to wear it on my birthday, but it didn't happen, so maybe on some other occasion I'll definitely wear it. So this was my last thing. Oh, I think I forgot one of the other things that I had purchased, that is there. Okay, just show you a second. Yeah, so I went to a store at Orient Mall. It's called Parcos. I think they are like a high brand luxury makeup store, and they do have, and I just went inside the store. I didn't know what to expect, and I accidentally found Rimmel London, and I could not resist buying their Kate lipsticks. These are the matte lipsticks by Kate collection. Me and my sister bought 2 of them. I'm thinking of getting these reviewed really soon. We bought it in 2 different shades. Mine is 104, which is a very, very nice basic color shade. You can see it. It's a very nice shade. It's a really different color shade. I've already used a lot of it. It's something to be worn daily. And the one my sister bought was 109. This is a very nice peachy orangey shade. But as bright as it looks on the camera, this looks really, really nice on your lips, and it's not that bright actually, so that's the best part. So these are the 2 makeup stuff that we picked up. We didn't pick a lot of makeup stuff because we already had a lot, and we didn't want to unnecessarily pick a lot of stuff from there. So I picked these 2 lipsticks, which I'm really happy about, and I will definitely make a detailed review on the blog, so check that out. So guys, this was all I had to show you for my Bangalore haul. These are most of the things that I got from the malls, not the street shopping. I will definitely go do a different video for the street shopping if you want. So I hope you guys like the haul, and if you did, please like, subscribe, and comment below to comment down below to tell me what you guys loved and what you didn't, and what you expect more from me as on the video side. I will definitely try and incorporate those things and make different videos soon. I'm planning to do every week video schedule soon, so I would really love you guys for different suggestions and advices that you give. I hope you guys love this video, and check out my channel soon. You can check out my blog www.shopalikpals.wordpress.com. I'll link it below in the description box, so check it out and tell me how you find